What I've got for you here is a pierced relief of a yellow flag iris. It's one of my favourite flowers. It's stylised in that I'm not trying to be botanically correct. It's a wood carving, and thus I've simplified things, I've made bigger shapes and so on, you know, to make it a carving that I think works. It is pierced relief in that all this is missing, and the frame and all the elements are part of the same piece of wood that I started with. And it's a big piece of wood, as you can see. You could make this smaller, and you would find if you do that, that some of these elements actually become quite fiddly and quite delicate. But certainly it would work smaller, and it would work as a relief carving where you leave the background present. So I would say that this is a lot of work. It's a big carving, and although the techniques aren't different from other carvings on this site, because of the size, it takes a long time, and it's quite precise, you know, getting the frame correct and so on. So I would call this a fairly advanced carving. It's also interesting in that it uses the grain of the wood, I think, quite well. So what we're seeing here are elements that are tied, thin elements, you know, there's my little finger, they're not much, and they're tied to various parts so that the strength is there with the grain, even though we're taking away the background. Anyway, there it is. We'll get through it as normal, step by step, starting at the beginning with my idea. Let's go.